There's the bird. See how he's destroying our fence? Watch him. Here, I thought it was the neighborhood kids.
Did see it.
It's that silly bird. Where is he? Come on, birdie. There he is. See, he grabs the fence. He whips the fence.
On the way, it's happy.
Hold on, hold on.
And
And then he flies away. Way up there. There he is. Oh, and he's back. He's going to get that fence one way or another. He's determined. Okay, put some string out. Because he's determined to get string. Let's string in his mouth. He's still trying to get the string off the fence. He's frantic to build his nest.